Alright, let's talk about this. I guarantee 99% of Goku Glazers just be regurgitating galaxy fodder and don't even know what they're talking about.
People are simply just calling it what it is. And if I'm being honest, this is not even galaxy level. This is like a cluster of stars. So bare minimum, like maybe multisolar.
This is slowly sealing clockwise, but unfortunately, a bit of it came out.
So Dragon Ball fans don't know ball, but you don't know your own series. Nowhere in this does he ever state that he's trying to seal the energy. If you know, just take a second, just read. He says he's trying to at least alter the vector of destructive energy. What is the vector of something? I don't know. The object that has both a magnitude and direction. He's literally telling you that he's trying to change the direction and magnitude of the energy. So what is happening here is that he's taking all this energy and he's redirecting it.
That bit of energy at a 45-degree angle compared to what the whole thing could have been, okay? That is what made the hole in space. Not even 10% of the clash.
Not even 10% of the clash? You know, you've already proven that you haven't read the series, so where did you get this 10% from? I guarantee you don't have an argument. You just made that number up. See, that's the thing with Saitama fans. They make things up and they always assume rather than prove.
Including Earth, yeah, obviously. Now, the best part is after that hole in space was created, that is when we're shown the visual that everyone likes to reference, and their power was here when that happened. By the end of the fight, Saitama completely exceeded that. So, even if that was his full power, which it clearly wasn't, Buddy already went way past it.
This is exactly how I know you don't know anything about scaling. You can be significantly stronger and still be within the same tier. It's just like, I don't know, power scaling 101.
Meanwhile, Goku Glazers will wank this one page all the way up to multiversal when nothing even got destroyed. Earth is chilling.
Yeah, I'm gonna need you to prove to me that something must be destroyed in order for it to be the case. Yeah, I'm gonna need you to prove to me that when something that has narrative implication and multiple statements of their power threatening the entire universe, that there needs to be some kind of feat behind it to prove that this is the case.
No, it's multiversal, it's shut the caution realm.
Okay, all 12 of the universes have their own heaven and hell and a Kaioshin realm. So if all Goku did was shake the realms within Universe 7, then it's just universal, not multiversal, buddy.
This was definitely rage bait and I fell for it. Because no one would intentionally make themselves look incompetent for the sake of views. I'm willing to wager that he probably doesn't even know what a multiverse actually is. Because it seems to me that he believes that the entire multiverse is all 12 universes, and not that one universe is a multiverse. We cannot go into 2026 being delusional, so please wrap this up. Goku still wins, Saitama gets slammed, everybody needs to go on about their day.